As the weather heats up, there's important health news for parents. A new study says a majority of children and teenagers are chronically dehydrated. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez reports it could affect them physically and emotionally.
16-year-old Ori Shine admits he doesn't drink enough water.
I know I should drink more, but I just don't.
He's not alone. A new study from Harvard finds more than half of all U.S. children and teens are not adequately hydrated, probably because they're not drinking enough plain old water. Doctors say even mild dehydration can cause headaches, irritability, poorer physical performance, and even reduce their ability to think.
For kids, we're worried about the impact on the brain and their ability to learn if they're not well hydrated.
The study also found boys were 76% less likely to be adequately hydrated than girls. Nearly a quarter of the 4,000 children and teenagers in the study said they didn't drink any plain water at all. And pediatrician Deborah Lonzer says water is a better way to hydrate than soda, juice, even sports drinks.
If you're drinking a sport drink, it's putting more salt into you as well, and so it helps with hydration, but it also adds to the salt load that you have to get rid of.
Plus, those other drinks often have sugary calories kids don't need. Experts say if you feel thirsty or your lips tingle, you're probably dehydrated. But many children, including Ori Shine, just don't realize it.
Kind of get lost in the game, and then I don't really feel like I need it.
Another way to tell if your kids are drinking enough water is to teach them to check their urine. If they're well hydrated, it should be pale yellow to almost clear. Anything darker, they need to drink more water. Dr. Max Gomez, CBS 2 News.